I can see it in the spirit. Ninaiona ikiandikwa katika anga ya kiroho, abundance. Abundance, oh my goodness, abundance, utele, utele, utele. We are walking in abundance, yes, abundance, abundance, being inscripted in the walls of our lives, in the walls of this church. There shall be abundance, abundance. Somebody receive that package of abundance that God is dropping in your hands for the year 2026. It is coming now. Open up your hands and receive it. Abundance, abundance in your business, abundance in your family, abundance in the ministry. Yes, it is happening. This is what Jehovah God is speaking to Christian Growth Church Mosbridge. Abundance in this church. No more loneliness, no more emptiness, no more struggles, no more delay, no more backsliding. Testimonies of backsliding will not be a portion of this church. Abundance, abundance. Come on, somebody prepare for abundance. Bwana anasema jitayarisha kwa ajili ya utele, jitayarisha kwa ajili ya utele, maana 2026 is loaded. Somebody put on the stamina, put on the stamina now, put on the stamina to accommodate 2026. It is loaded, a package of abundance. It is dropping now. We receive it, Lord. We receive it, Lord. I receive it in my life. I receive it at my place of work. I receive it in my family. I receive it in this ministry. Hey, 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 hey. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Hey, 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 hey. Abundance. Makareke de shatalabo. Sekete makayeke. Rekete mashalabosa. Abundance. Abundance. Abundance church. Kuna utele ambao si wa kawaida. Ninauona katika anga ya kiroho ambao Bwana anatupokeza kwa ajili ya mwaka wa 2026. Tumekuja hapa tunapokea vitu wapendwa. Tunapokea vitu. Remain in the spirit because still more are coming. More are coming. God is dropping them. Aya. 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 Prepare for abundance. Prepare for abundance. Prepare for abundance. Nasikia Bwana akisema hili kanisa ni ndogo. Hili kanisa ni ndogo kwa sababu kile Mungu anaachilia mahali hapa, it cannot be accommodated in this space. It is bigger than what we are seeing. It is bigger than what we are seeing. We receive it, Lord. We receive it in the spirit. We receive it in the spirit. We actualize it in the body. We receive it from this altar. We receive it on behalf of the members who are not here. We receive it. Abundance. Abundance. Hey, 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 hey. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yes. Yes. Oh. Oh. Wapendwa, lazima tuwe tayari kwa sababu mwaka huu wa 2026 ni mwaka mkubwa sana. Ni mwaka mkubwa sana kwa maisha yetu. Tunajisalimisha tu kwa Bwana afanye mapenzi yake, makusudi yake yatimizike. Oh, uniongoze kwa huruma zako.